Young world, it's Genesis in the building. Yeah. Look, I wanna live forever and never have to die. Life's a journey, don't get lost, you have to read the signs. Change your lifestyle, sometimes you have to redesign. Never change but be redefined by the divine. See, my mind is playing tricks, I need a fix. I wanna cop some new airs, but I need a whip. I wanna have a few kids, but I need a chick. I wanna stop smoking, but first I need to quit. I'm headed down the road, and I need a lift. Cloud 9 on my mind like I need a spliff. A gun carries pain in the clip, and families feel pain when it spits. Kids getting hit before they hit they sweet 16, and some of them were really innocent and had big dreams. We have to clean up our act, make things pristine. I need help, but not just on the 1st and 15th. I can't think straight, so I'm headed home. I lied on my mind. System overload. System overload. Yeah. System overload. I can't think straight, so I'm headed home. I lied on my mind. System overload. System overload. I like this girl I've known for 2 months. Something slight at first, but now it's a huge crush. I wanna tell her something, but I'm scared of what she'll say. Especially if she don't feel the same way. I can't let her slip away, and time ain't on my side. Plus she beefing with me now, but I'ma let her slide. I wanna break the silence and quit acting childish. Come Monday, I'ma have you back smiling. You're in my head, I wish you were here with me instead. The mission isn't for you to end up with me in bed. I wanna help you spread your wings, not spread your legs. Encourage you when times are hard to press ahead. I'm extra pressed, I hope you get to hear it. You're a kindred soul, we share the same spirit. Choose me and let's chase this storm together. Hoping for the better, racing towards forever. Chasing after cheddar, blue cheese and the feta. He don't need you, come get with me girl, I'm better. It's whatever. I can't think straight, so I'm headed home. I lied on my mind. System overload. Yeah, system overload. Grandma Susie, where do I begin? My love for you can't be found in this pen. It's written on my heart and runs through my veins. And although I don't see you, my love is still the same. Your love will remain, it's instilled in my nature. One thing I heard you repeat was love thy neighbor. 93 years, 5 generations. You're a testimony to Jehovah God's greatness. Get well, grandma, and come back home soon. But I know that you're ready when the Lord calls you. We all do, so we applaud you. You fought a good fight and did what you were called to. This ain't no goodbye, I'ma pay a visit, but I'ma pray for you. I know the Lord hears it. This was just on my heart, I had to write it down. I'm in the valley of death, searching for higher ground. I can't think straight, so I'm headed home. I lied on my mind. System overload. Yeah, system overload. System overload. I can't think straight, so I'm headed home. I lied on my mind. System overload. Yeah, system overload.